Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm going to demonstrate how to give control of your screen to someone while in a Teams meeting. Start by clicking the Share button at the top of your Teams to begin sharing either your entire screen or just a window that is open on your screen. The other participants in the meeting can now view what is on your screen. Open the program that you would like to share. Let's give someone control of our screen now. You'll notice a share bar has appeared at the top of your screen. When you hover over it, many sharing options will appear. We're going to click on the Give Control button and then select the meeting participant that you would like to control your screen. The person who you selected should now be able to take control. You'll know it has worked when you see their icon next to a mouse arrow on your screen. They can click on controls on your screen and also use their keyboard to type on your screen. Your mouse arrow will now have your icon next to it. When you are finished sharing control, you can click the Take Back button in the top share bar and they will no longer have control over your screen. If you would no longer like them to keep seeing your screen in the meeting, you can click the Stop Sharing button at the top. I hope this helps and thanks for watching.